The Additio App enrollment module will allow you to manage all the enrollment processes of the center in a very easy way. You will be able to create all types of enrollment, customizing each one of them. You will be able to filter them by the different statuses, or you will be able to search for the different enrollments created by their title or description. For each registration you create, you will have the title, a description, the status in which it is, if it's closed, in draft, published, or publishing hidden. Also, the number of places that you have indicated for each of the registrations, and also the opening and closing date. In addition, you will have the option to edit the registration or to view the application received. When creating an enrollment process, you will only have to fill in a title, a description, indicate the opening date, which must always be later than today's date, and the closing date. You will also have to indicate the number of places for this enrollment and if you want to limit the number of applications or not. And then you can access the form, where you can customize the entire enrollment process. When creating the form, we have a series of steps that we can follow to generate this form. First, we see a series of fields that come by default, and we can also add new ones. We also have a section for the form questions that we can customize according to our needs. For example, with information about the subject, electives, uploading to archives, and so on. This can be divided into different steps, different sections, and even questions. This is fully customizable. You can choose the type of answer we want, indicate whether the questions are mandatory or not. Finally, we will also have the internal fields, which will not be seen by the families or users who fill in the form, but are for internal use only. The educational centers also have an enrollment portal where the different enrollments that we create from the center are published. When we edit enrollment, we can move this enrollment to a status of published or publishing hidden. When we publish it, then it will appear in a portal that the families will see, and here they will be able to fill in the different enrollment processes of the center. Configuring the public portal is very easy, and we can give it a name, a title, a subtitle, and even customize the design in the structure, and also indicate if you want the logo of the center to be added. In the preview, you will be able to see how the enrollment portal looks like. Once an enrollment process is published, families will be able to see which ones are active and will be able to fill in the information very easily and send the application to the school. When applications are received, the school will be able to evaluate the different applications, filter by the different status, search for specific students, and as the students are enrolled, the progress bar will be filled. You will be able to evaluate the different student applications and change their status, such as application denied, application received, to be reviewed, enrolled, etc. And all these can be centralized from a single place to have all the information centralized and evaluate the entire enrollment process.